Welcome to the ultimate general knowledge quiz. Think you know it all? Test your brain with 40 mind-blowing questions covering science, history, pop culture, and wild facts you've never heard before. You'll have 10 seconds per question, but you can pause if needed. Send your result in the comments. No pressure. If you enjoyed this, hit like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. Let's begin.
Which explorer led the first expedition to circumnavigate the globe? The answer is Ferdinand Magellan. What planet is known for having the Great Red Spot? The planet is Jupiter. What type of rock is formed from molten lava? And the type of rock is igneous. What metal is primarily used in the construction of aircraft? The answer is aluminum. What does a botanist study? A botanist studies plants. Which gas gives Mars its reddish color? And the correct choice is iron oxide. Who was the first person to see cells under a microscope? He was Robert Hooke. What is the common name for sodium bicarbonate? It is baking soda. Who developed the first successful polio vaccine? The answer is Jonas Salk. What is the mathematical name for a shape with 12 sides? And the correct choice is dodecagon. What's the term for a chemical reaction that absorbs heat? The correct answer is endothermic. Which scientist first proposed the heliocentric model of the universe? He was Copernicus. What is the term for a triangle with all three sides the same length? The answer is equilateral. What is the process of cell division in somatic cells called? And the correct answer is mitosis. In which century did the Industrial Revolution begin? The answer is 18th century. What is the most abundant metal in Earth's crust? And the answer is aluminum. Who was the first human in space? He was Yuri Gagarin. What philosopher wrote The Republic? The Republic wrote Plato. What does H2SO4 represent in chemistry? It is sulfuric acid. Which war was triggered by the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand? The answer is World War I. Which layer of the atmosphere contains the ozone layer? The correct answer is stratosphere. Who is the author of Brave New World? The author is Aldous Huxley. What device converts sound into an electrical signal? It is microphone. Which planet has a day longer than its year? The planet is Venus. Which British physicist discovered the neutron? He was James Chadwick. In which novel does the character Big Brother appear? The answer is 1984. Which country invented paper money? Paper money invented, China. What element is needed for the production of nuclear energy by fission? And the correct one is uranium. What is the process of converting a solid directly into a gas? And the answer is sublimation. Which treaty ended World War I? The correct answer is Treaty of Versailles. Which human body system is responsible for hormone production? The answer is endocrine system. What device is used to measure electric current? The device is ammeter. In what century did the French Revolution take place? The great answer is 18th century. What organ is primarily responsible for detoxifying the blood? The organ is liver. What is the largest moon of Saturn? And the largest moon is Titan. Who was the commander of the Allied forces in Europe during World War II? He was Dwight D. Eisenhower. What is the scientific study of insects called? And the correct choice is entomology. What kind of bond involves the sharing of electron pairs between atoms? The correct one is covalent bond. What is the name of the psychological effect where people conform to group decisions? The answer is bandwagon effect. What is the chemical formula for table salt? The chemical formula for table salt is NaCl.
If you enjoyed this, hit like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content.